Has the idea of you making money online without any skills ever crossed your mind? Or have you ever thought of how you can make money online without actually doing anything or making any kind of investment? Well, that is what I'm going to show you, and we are going to use these two sites, that is Fiverr and Upwork. And I'm sure when you see these two sites, the first thing that crosses your mind is, this guy wants me to become a freelancer. No, like I said, you're going to use these two sites to make money without you even having any kind of skills. So watch the video till the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It will help the channel to grow so much. And another thing, the video will reach even more people. So guys, the first thing for you to do is to log in onto your Fiverr account. But what I like more about Fiverr is that you are able to sell your product, and at the same time you are, or your service, and at the same time you are able to contact other freelancers, and they can do what I'm going to teach you uh, within the same site. But what I recommend is that you use Upwork when it comes to getting clients, because the rates and the charges are quite good. So as you can see here, you can see this tab where it says trending, and this are what most people are looking for, and are looking for freelancers who are going to do these particular services for them. So I'm going to switch back to selling, and as you can see, this is how my dashboard looks like, and I haven't been active for quite some time. The last time I was here is 6 months ago, but that one is not an issue. Anyway, when I click here and go to my profile, you'll be able to see how my dashboard looks like, my profile looks like, and you'll have to write something about yourself. You'll have to write your description. Then, when it comes to languages, this one is quite important, as you'll have to select the basic languages that are being that are common. And if you get a client who speaks on French or on Dutch or German, you don't really need to know the language. You can just translate what your client is looking for, then using Google Translator, then reply using that. And then here are gigs that you can offer. One thing I like about Fiverr is that you are able to make multiple gigs so that you can boost your income. Anyway, as you can see, I'm not good with social media marketing, but I went on and created a gig, and I'm saying that I will be your social media marketing manager and content creator. I got some pictures online, and as you can see, these are what I decided to do. Then I wrote about the gig, but this information that is here, I actually copied from another freelancer, but I do not recommend you to copy, but it's not bad, because you will boost your SEO to rank higher, or rank near the top rated freelancers. Then as on this other side, you can see my basic rates and my charges, what I charge. But then this is where I recommend that you use Upwork, because Upwork, the rates are quite good. And as you can see from here, when you look for social media manager projects, you can see that this guy charges from $20 for a 2-day delivery. This one charges from $70 for a 10-day delivery, etc. So when you register on Upwork, you'll need to register as a freelancer. You don't really need to know how you can make money, or not money, but you don't really need to know how you can do the particular gig that you want to offer. What you do is you come here, you create your profile and say what you are able to do. Then once you get a client from Fiverr, from Upwork, sorry, come to Fiverr and then look for someone who will do the same particular job at a much lower rate. And when I switch back to buying, I can come here and type social media manager, social media manager. Uh-huh. And when I open this site or this page, you'll see the rates of which people are offering. You can see this guy is offering at $100, starting at $165. But then we can come here and filter uh, people who want it to in less than up to 3 days. I apply. Then from there, I'll still come and see how much people are offering to deliver what I want within that period of time. So if I get a client who wants me to deliver or promote their social media platform, and maybe I'm charging 70, like this person here charging $70 for a 10-day delivery. Maybe I'll get someone who will do the same particular work within 3 days, and I'll be able to pay less than that amount. And as you can see, guys, without you doing anything, you can start this. What I call it is broking. You can, this is actually broking, whereby you get a client from Upwork, and when this client, once you've negotiated and talked and came to an agreement, you can come and get a freelancer from Fiverr who's willing to do the same particular work and with little money. For example, I get a client from Fiverr, not Fiverr but Upwork. Once I get a client from Upwork and they want me to do maybe even if it's graphics and design, and maybe I'm charging about $30 an hour to do the same particular work, and then I come to Fiverr and look for someone who's going to do graphics and design. You see, I'll get someone who's going to do the same work, and I will copy paste everything and each and every instruction given to me by my client on to the freelancer on Fiverr. And once we come to an agreement with the freelancer, I will wait for him or her to do the work. Then I will forward it to my client on Upwork. Once I've completed that, I'll be able to make myself extra money and cutting the cost. Probably I made from a gig on Upwork. The gig made me around $400, and maybe my freelancer on Fiverr charged me around $100 to complete the work. I'll be making a profit of $300 without actually doing anything. What I'm doing is linking a client to another freelancer on another site and getting paid. And with that, let's meet on another video. And if you want me to elaborate and walk you through the steps properly, do let me know down in the comment section. I'll gladly make a video on it.